Hey, what's up? I'm in my car outside of a Marshall's in Canton, Michigan, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to buy shoes at retail stores and sell them online for huge profits. Here we are in the Marshalls of Canton, Michigan, founded in 2004. I know that because it says so. Near the cash register checkout area. We're in the shoe aisle. Buying shoes. That's what shoe aisles are for. They're full of shoes. Shoe sales all the time for us customers. And we're going to scan the barcodes using Profit Bandit, an app I like to use to see if they're profitable. Here's the first pair of shoes. They're 50 bucks, and we're going to scan the barcode on the box to see, we'll make about $27, it looks like, on these shoes. No sales on eBay, though. That's the same barcode, the UPC code. So I don't know. For the first pair, I might buy them, might not. We'll see. Coming up next is the next pair, and that stack, really high sales rank. They are profitable though, but again, such a high sales rank kind of scares me away. Here's the next pair. Looking at the price, you can see, again, these are all in the same price range, 40, 50 bucks. They're not clearance shoes. They have the boxes though, so that makes them Amazon eligible. This pair, again, 9 million sales rank. That's crazy, but they are selling on eBay, so that seems kind of fishy to me. Again, this is going to go in the maybe pile. Next up are these shoes right here, and the sales rank on these is under 20,000, but again, the profit is so low, I'm not going to buy them. Let's go over to the next stack here. As you can see, I'm just scanning the barcodes. I can sell Nike, Adidas, Air Jordan, all these brands on Amazon, and this pair I think looks pretty good. It's only 40 bucks, and yeah, it's a low sales rank, and at 40 bucks we're making almost 30 bucks. I'm gonna pull the trigger just because I want to get the ball rolling, and with the sales rank so low and with a 10.5 size, I'm pretty sure it's gonna sell. There's a few more different pairs, and I'm gonna open up and look at them to see how they are, if everything checks out. The price on these is 50 bucks, so we'll give it a scan to see. Yeah, on eBay it's definitely selling, and then if we scroll down more, we'll see there's a few sales, and the Amazon FBA sales rank is 386,000. That's kind of high. No FBA offers though, so I think I will buy these, especially because the size is pretty good. These shoes here, what is the price on these? Let me look at this. The price is 50 bucks. Again, kind of high. But the good news about Profit Bandit is we can tell exactly, okay, this is not worth my money. Two of the pairs were though. And if you look over there, you can see I've got more shoes to scan. This top box looks kind of unique. Pure Boost Exposed, 50 bucks for those. They're a women's pair of shoes. Let's see. At 50 bucks, no, not really money makers at all. So I'm gonna hold off on those, even though it is a low sales rank. Now I'm going to scan all these shoes. Alpha Bounce LEA, Alpha Bounce LEA, Alpha Bounce HPC ARMS, AMS I mean. No money here. That's a pass. Going to pass on these two. 16 bucks is not enough. I can make more. 20. We're getting closer. Come on, big money. Nope, none of these really. These are all profitable, but just not worth my time, so we'll go to another stack. These are just not what I'm looking for. I want to find something closer to doubling my money, more like thrift store dollars. Some Jordans here. One of these Jordans I think is going to pay off. Those Westbrook Zero Holidays, or whatever they're called. Those I've sold before, so I've got a good feeling, but we'll check these out first. 60 bucks, pretty expensive. I just don't see that making money. These shoes here, what's the price on these? I'm not finding a price tag. They hide the price tag sometimes. Or even worse, it gets yanked off. But the price on these is 50 bucks. Yeah, these are just, I'm not holding my breath on prices like that. They are sales though. I'm checking Keep It for the sales rank, and it looks like on this, the Westbrooks, there's no options, but there are sales, and you can see it's moving on Amazon, or sorry, on eBay as well. So I'm definitely gonna buy those. And then the other Jordans, just for 50 bucks, am I gonna spend that to make 25? Probably not. I'm not going to. And even these, 40 bucks. Yeah, I'll pull the trigger on those. So it's the Westbrooks and those. Let's check the price just to make sure it isn't something crazy. The price on these is only 40 bucks. So yeah, 40 bucks, and I'll list them at like 150, I think. There's no other FBA offers. I need to make one sale, and these are definitely going in the cart. So I've got three now, and some yummy, delicious licorice. Let's go over to cleats. These, I think those are the Mike Trout baseball cleats, 20 bucks. Cleats are cheap. If we can find a pair of cleats going for like 80, I'll be really happy. I don't think these Trout 3 Pros are. Those might. The Nike might kind of as well. Yeah, here we go. These, at 20 bucks, you know, it's on the cusp. Let's see what else we have. You know, I would buy these. I will buy these because there's no prime offer, so I could prime it around like 85, 90, I think, and get away. It's almost baseball season 2 for a lot of high schools. And then the Mike Trout 3, those are just no, you know, the sales rank's way too high. No thanks. But these cleats here, I am going to price up at like 90. There's no tag on them, but I know all the cleats go for like 20 bucks here. So I'm going to pull the trigger and put those in the box. The next one, these Nike Metcon 2s that were at the bottom of the pile. Yeah, definitely profitable here. That's really nice to see, actually. So we'll grab those as well. We got 4 or 5 pairs of shoes now. Let's go over. That's the same pair, it looks like. Yeah, there's more of these, so I think I will buy all of those. Yeah, if I can, if they're all making me 60 bucks, and shoes don't expire. So let's just check to make sure the tag is still good. 60 bucks, oh, a lot of money to spend, but I feel good about the sales rank. You know, 100 or 11,000 for the size 12s, that's pretty low. I guess it's the same sales rank because they're like parent ranks, but still, all of these are making me, you know, 40, 50, 60 bucks off 60 bucks investment. So I'm going to buy all those. You know, worst case scenario, I think I'll break even on eBay. They're moving fast. They're a pretty desirable shoe. And actually, I checked these flip-flops out, and they are clearance, amazingly enough. Usually at Marshall's, clearances don't have, if I could ever grab the tag, they don't have clearance items in box. But these are 10 bucks in box. Not a huge money maker, but 10 into 10. And, you know, it's almost summer. I think these will sell. Let's go over to clothes now, though. This is the final clearance section of Marshall's, meaning the lowest of the low. I have the shoes. I'm going to look for a few clothes like an FBA, though. These Levi's jeans for 10 bucks. Yeah, definitely I would buy those. However, when you look at it upon further inspection, they are not that size. The barcode is wrong, and that happens sometimes, so always double check. The next item is this Adidas vest. Regular price $190. They have it for around 20 bucks, I think. Let's see. $14, $18, $14. Let's look it up. Comps on eBay, not worth my time. Profitable, but not what I'm looking for. Finally, I got kind of excited about this. This is a pair of North Face women's snow pants. Regular is like $140 retail on these. And all the tags they check out. The barcode scans, and on eBay, yeah, they're going for a lot of money. I can't sell that pair on Amazon, but I will buy them for eBay. I ended up finding a pair of jeans too. They were 8 bucks. There were some cheap Levi's as well. I can FBA those.
Back in the car just before it began to rain even harder. So that's nice because the water on new merchandise is never good. And I spent $461. I applied for a new credit card there, so I got 10% off. So I spent I don't know, $420, whatever it is. And I should make about $435 in profit back. The only iffy thing is that North Face pair of snow pants that I showed you, the X or STH, whatever they're called. They're selling for between like $80 and $150 on eBay, and it's almost the end of ski season, so I'm gonna try and get a sale before spring break in March for all the schools and that kind of stuff. They're women's extra small, so not the best size in the world, but it's a good brand. There's tons of comps, and so I'm hoping to get like 115 out of those, but I'll settle for like 75 even because I don't want to hold them until next year. That'd be terrible. Everything else goes in FBA. I feel good about it. I think I should, make, at least 400 bucks, maybe like even 450. So not bad for 40 minutes of work, and then to prep these, it'll be about 25 minutes, half hour. Not bad. One last thing, if you like this video, subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and comment below. I make tons of these videos saying how to make money, how to control your life better, how to, buy things at stores, thrift stores, Marshalls, TJ Maxx's, Walmart's, whatever, and resell them and make way more money than most jobs will ever pay.